We've ordered a chestnut cake from Sam Baking Hut. This is how they deliver the cake. It's got ice pack inside. It's got a nice card and some instructions. It asks you to check your cake as well. It's the same price whether you order it for delivery or pick up. Look at that. That's the signature cake, chestnut cake. It's my favorite flavor of the cake. Cookie's interested too. We are cutting this cake now. So we've cut the cake now. You can see there is some chestnut cream and also chestnut pieces in the middle. And a whole chestnut on top.